Hello everyone. Welcome back to PlacementDrivePI. I hope you're doing well. Today, I have an exciting opportunity from Accenture for freshers. If you're a B.Tech or MCA graduate and looking to start your career in Python development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data engineering, or cloud technologies, then this opportunity is perfect for you. So, watch this video till the end because I'll explain the eligibility, required skills, job responsibilities, and how you can apply. Let's get started. The company hiring is Accenture, one of the world's leading global technology and consulting companies. The job role is AI or ML Computational Science Associate. This is a full-time position, and the work location is Bengaluru. Candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience are eligible to apply, so freshers are strongly encouraged to apply. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Candidates who have completed B.Tech, or MCA are eligible for this role. Candidates with a strong academic background will have an advantage. Certifications in Python, cloud computing, data analytics, or artificial intelligence are also considered a plus, but they are not mandatory. Now, let's understand the role. As an AI or ML Computational Science Associate, you'll work with experienced software development teams to build, test, and maintain applications using Python. You'll also gain practical exposure to artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, data engineering, automation, and modern software development practices. This is an excellent opportunity for candidates who want to build their careers in emerging technologies. Now, let's discuss the technical skills required. Accenture expects candidates to have good knowledge of Python programming. You should also understand object-oriented programming concepts, data structures and algorithms, SQL, database management, REST APIs, Git Version Control, and the software development lifecycle, commonly known as SDLC. Having hands-on experience with projects such as Python automation tools, Django or Flask web applications, data analysis using Pandas NumPy, chatbots, AI-based applications, database projects, or API development will make your profile even stronger. Knowledge of FastAPI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud Platform, and basic AI or machine learning concepts will be an added advantage. Now, let's look at your responsibilities. Selected candidates will develop, test, and maintain Python applications. You'll participate in coding, debugging, troubleshooting, and software testing activities. You'll help build REST APIs and backend services. You'll work on automation projects, data processing, reporting, and analytics solutions. You'll collaborate with different teams, participate in code reviews, prepare technical documentation, and continuously learn new technologies and frameworks. Now, let's talk about why you should apply. Accenture is one of the world's largest technology companies with more than 780,000 employees serving clients in over 120 countries. Working at Accenture provides excellent learning opportunities, global exposure, industry-standard training, career growth, and the chance to work on cutting-edge technologies, including AI, cloud, data engineering, and automation. If you're planning to build a career as a Python developer, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data engineer, software developer, or cloud engineer, this role is an excellent starting point. Let's quickly summarize the job details. Company, Accenture. Role, AI or ML Computational Science Associate. Qualification, B.Tech, MCA. Experience, 0 to 1 year. Location, Bengaluru. If you're interested and eligible, apply as soon as possible through the official Accenture Careers website. The application link is available in the description below. Don't wait until the last date, because hiring positions may close once enough applications are received. If this video helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to PlacementDrivePI for daily off-campus jobs internships, software jobs, and placement opportunities from top companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Deloitte, Qualcomm, Siemens, Honeywell, and many more. Also, comment Accenture if you're applying for this role. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best for your Accenture AI or ML Computational Science Associate application. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.